Wally here, Brewtown trading Estebahn. Decided he want to go with a box of Origins before we fire up our group break. Said the third one down. 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, with cards from that time, unfortunately.
Here we go. Good luck. Hope you hit a monster.
Yeah. Pretty much all
Kind of slides on out of there. Oh, just the guy you want to see on the back. RG and 3. Man, looks kind of sharp in that uni. The guy with the biggest guns in the draft. Joey Bosa on card. Origins auto. That is a sweet looking card. Look at his arms. That's ridiculous. And a pretty sweet looking patch for the Dolphins. Who the hell is that? Leonte Carrad. Sorry, never, ever heard of him. Carew? Carew. There we go. Leonte Carew. Sharp patch. That is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Oh, okay. I'm sure I'll hear about him once more fantasy drafts roll around.
Okay.
And the last guaranteed hit. Paul Perkins, Giants, 87 out of 99. Could eventually be his jersey number.
Us as a store, for us to buy something like that, it would need to be certified. Like all the autographs would need to be authenticated. And that process would insist
Bortles to 150.
Waiting for a shop like ours to get an authentication service to come by.
A Carlos Hyde base.
Sending it to the service
and
yourself,
Jarvis Landry base.
and then having them authenticate. And of course,
thanks, Steven. Appreciate you going for a box.